Hello all, welcome to day 8 with English Mirror. Today we are going to learn the uses of did, how we are using did in a sentence. Did means what? Did is the simple past of do. Do's simple past is did. Do, did and done. And do means what? What action happening now. Did means what? Something happened in the past times. I did it in some time, some particular time in the past day or past month we did it. Okay. And there are some key rules also. That is second form. While we are using the second form did, we have to note certain points. Did plus first form, that is a use in a sentence. If we are using this did, we have to make sure that we are using the second form of the we have to make the first form of the verb after did plus verbs first form v1, did plus v1. Don't use any other forms. And had means what? Did plus have is had. Came means what? Did plus come. Gave means what? Did plus give. Went means what? Did plus go. So means what? Did plus see. These are the what we can split it and tell like this. And another rule is we use second form of the verb in the positive sentences. But in the case of positive sentences, we use what? Second form of the verb. And actually, we learned that, right? Example, I went to the hospital. I is the subject and went is the second form of the verb. And the next rule is use did plus base form in questions and negative. When we are using the form or we are using did to start a question, how will we use did plus the subject plus verbs first form plus object? Okay. And the next one is I didn't go to the hospital. I is the subject, did plus not is didn't, and go is the verbs first form. The next one is never use second form with did in negatives or questions. We should not use second form with did in negatives or questions. We already discussed he didn't went is wrong. He didn't go is the correct form. Hope it is clear for you. Now we can look at the examples. Examples for positive statements first, and that too in simple past. I went to the hospital yesterday. Yesterday itself indicates the action has happened in the past. I went. I plus subject I plus went is the verb's second form. He came home in the morning. He is a subject and came is the verb's second form. Negative statements are I didn't go to the hospital. I is a subject. Did plus not has used here. So what we'll be using? We'll be using the verb's first form. He didn't come home. He is a subject. Did plus not is the usage and come is the verb's first form. And while we are looking into the questions, did you go to the hospital yesterday? Yesterday indicates the past action. Did you go? Did is used there, so we have to use the verb's first form. Did he bring his friend? Did and bring V1 form. And there are some common errors also. He did not came, that is wrong because we used did. So what we have to do, we have to use verbs first form. He did not come. I didn't go. That is correct. I did not go. Verbs first form V1. They didn't give me the offer letter. That is absolutely wrong. How will we tell they didn't give me the offer letter? And some more examples include positive sentences. I met him yesterday. I met him. I plus subjects. I is a subject. Verb is the second form. Met. Okay. They gave me keys. They gave me keys. There is a subject and gave is a second form of the verb give. She saw a bird. She saw a bird. She is a subject and so is the verb's second form and V2 form. And while in the case of negative statement, how it works, I didn't meet him yesterday. I didn't means I is a subject, didn't is the did not is a usage, and meet is the V1 form. They didn't give me the keys. They is a subject and didn't. Did plus not plus V1 form of the verb. And the next example is she didn't see a bird. She didn't see a bird. She plus did not plus see V1. And in the case of questions, how will we do? Did you meet him yesterday? Did you meet him yesterday? Did is the usage, you is a subject and meet is the V1 form of the verb. And the next question, did they give you the keys? Did is the usage, they is a subject and give is the verb. And the next example here is, did she see a bird? Did is the usage, she is a subject and see is the verb's first form. These are the examples here. Now here comes a quick practice for you. What you have to do, you have to convert these sentences, given sentences, into negative form or question form. Okay, first sentence is, she ate an apple. She ate an apple. Converting into negative sentence means she did not eat an apple. She is a subject, did plus not, and eat is the V1 form of the verb. And the next sentence, he played cricket. We have to convert it into question. How question? We have to start with did. Did plus subject plus V1 form. Then the sentence becomes, did he play cricket? And the next sentence is, they went to the park. We have to convert it into negative sentence. They didn't go to the park. They subject, did plus not is a usage and go is the V1 form. Now the next last sentence is, he bought a car. We have to make it as a question. How will we do? Did is the usage, he is the subject and buy is the V1 form of the verb. These are the questions for you. So look into more examples and practice well.